Welcome today in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to enable auto system updates on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and scroll down to the system updates section. Now here you'll see the smart updates switcher. Just to enable the switcher, the option tap once on the switcher, and as you can see that we just activate the automatic system updates. And now you can also choose the restart time when your device will make that. You can choose the default ones, or you can also set your custom times here. So that's how it looks. And if you just want to disable this option, just tap here again on the switcher and confirm by tap to turn it off. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.